right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So this right here is just as important as everything else that I've been teaching you. And yeah, let's get right into it. So here I have my track stacks, right? Vocals, drums, and tonals. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my mixer. And when I open up the mixer, all I see is the track stacks. See that? Vocals, drums, tonals. So in order to open up these track stacks so that I can see the tracks themselves, I have to go to this little arrow here. And when you click on that, see, it opens up and it shows you whatever's in that summing stack or that track stack. I'm going to open up the drums and I'm going to open up my tonals. So now I have all of my vocals, all of my drums, all of my tonals. So here's what I'm going to do next. I'm going to go here, all vocals. This right here tells me that this is my track stack. This is the way I label things. If you rather label it vocal track stack, you can label it however you want to. I'm going to bring those up to 0. See that? 0. Right now this one's at infinity, which means it's all the way down, and I'm going to bring it up again to 0. And I'm going to grab my tonals and I'm going to do the same thing, bring it up to 0, or you can double click here and just type 0 and it will come up that way. So now my tonals, my drums, and my vocal stacks are all at 0. Here's what I'm going to do next. I'm going to click right here on lead vocal. I'm going to hold shift and I'm going to click here on ad libs. So this selects all of my vocals at one time. And what I'm going to do here is, these are the actual volumes, not the track stack volume. This is the track stack volume or the master volume. This right here, these three are the volumes for the actual tracks. I'm going to bring those up to -10. Just like that. See that? Now it says -10, right? I'm going to do the same thing with my drums. So all drums, I'm going to click on that. And then this is my track stack volume is right here, or the master volume. I'm going to click on where it says kick. I'm going to hold shift and I'm going to go down to the last instrument in this stack. All right. Or the last red track. It's another way to look at it. And I'm going to take this up to -10. Take this up to -10. Okay. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the tonals. Here's my tonals. I'm going to click on keys, hold shift, click on pads, and I'm going to bring everything up to -10. So now all of my track volumes are at -10. Okay. So when I start mixing, I'm going to mix using this structure right here. Everything starts at -10. And that way I have room to go up in volume without pushing the tracks too hard. I've explained this in class already. Now you're taking a look at it physically with your 2 eyes. Get that set up and then come back for the next video. Thanks, guys.